Hello guys, good morning. Topic is you suggest me, you tell me, and how should I to do? And I have 10 year and the experience of leader. Organization. Some employee not work and top management sent it my branch and not in performing the employee and reported me. Uh, you know, uh, it's a handling our maximum team member. I push up and I give the training more zero performance and convert to and average performance you know uh, means in the expenses means no, you are not in the new because I have no not new leader. It's I must and the shifted and from the working leader to control leader. You said and some employee it's a typical question is some employees not working and top management transferred it non performance staff to my branch and the those and some employees and they reported to me and just pressure on me. uh, First and understand the one and true and the your top management and it's not and the judging and the employees they are judging me and think they the step by step and the strategy for you and the stop emotional and the reaction. Don't think why they and send weak and the staff to me and why only my branch. But now I will prove my leadership and strong leadership grow in the difficult and the branches and not easy in the branches. Second is topic is categorize your categorize my team. Make it three categories and first is a category like self-driving, already doing calls and taking appointment and positive attitude. Be each category and confuse an average employee. Need push, need script, need daily follow-up. Third, see my category is negative and zero effect. Excuse, body language and poor and blaming in the market. Third, for the non-performance is non-performance. Don't shout, don't beg, don't emotionally motivate daily. Do this and the insight and daily and the writing and the activity sheet and calls and done and meeting and done and follow done and income generated ask and them and sign and daily and the weekly and performance mail send it in the performance the summary to top and the management now to things and the happen employee feel and accountability you protect yourself. I protect myself. No performance documents it because I want to learn more. I teach more because if every leader is taken in the action, employee cannot survive the long time every industry. Fourth is morning and the meeting and the structure. you know it's not motivational as I speak. Ask each RM yesterday calls, today target, today physical visit and where. Fifth is stop saving on the team with my business. Very important. If they sit in zero and I close 1 lakh and they relax instead say I close 1 lakh now and each of me the bring and the minimum and the 25,000 and given the commitment each team member and the drive and the 3 lakh into the small prices converting in the 12 and 13 means in the 25,000 rupees income. So easily can target make target look and the achievable top management given in the every target because it's a revenue product. Six is protect and the yourself and the politically since week and the staff transferred it to you after 30 and 40 days send it in the report activity label improvement non cooperation, right? It's a formalized last leadership rules in the after because it's a 10 years experience. I am not there. It's there to work hard and you are there to I'm not there to work hard. I am there to create and the working system and create and motivation and energetic and give some knowledge, right. Final my strategy, final straight and the advice, always रहता हूँ शांत, claim and face and stick and system, clear expectation and writing, monitoring and no emotional rescue, right. And 60 days in the branches and the culture and will changes. Already are changes in the within the last and 6, 8 and 9 month. Whole branch changes and like a performance, like a employee, like a motivation employee, like a leader changes. गाइज प्लीज़ लाइक करिए, कमेंट करिएगा, सब्सक्राइब करिएगा। ऐसे छोटे छोटे स्मॉल टॉपिक आप लोगों पे मैं बना सकूं, बिकॉज मैं डेली बेसिस आई एम रहता हूँ मार्केटिंग एंड गिवन मिलता है एंड गेट टारगेट एंड बिकॉज आई हैव लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट करने होते हैं, आई हैव टू अचीव एंड एज पर मैन पावर एंड आई वांट सी इन टॉप मैंने टॉप बिकॉज आई always होना चाहिए, should be top and Mr. my name is होना चाहिए famous in every organization and every field, right. Thank you guys. Okay.